The weird beard. It's been over 9 months, and I went from this to this. I'm gonna show you how. Boom! Minoxidil straight up works. They're not paying me to make this video. I couldn't come remotely close to growing a beard. And now look, I'm currently still using it. I'm putting it on kind of my patchier spots, and I still see little hairs starting to sprout and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I used it for 6 months straight, never missed a day, every morning, every night. And then after 6 months, I kind of hem and hawed around and didn't take it for a couple weeks. But now I'm back at it again, just applying it to my main patchy spots and just trying to get it as thick as I can get it. I've also taken some different vitamins and like testosterone boosters for just my fitness goals. And in return, that helps hair growth too. So I don't know how much that helped on top of the minoxidil. Everything that I have used, I'll put a link down below, so if you want to try it, you can too. 9 months is a long time to do anything. It's good to have goals in life. Short term, medium, long term. They don't have to be crazy goals, like being a millionaire, but living life with no goal or goals and having a direction is just flat out wild. Sit down, dig deep, and find out what you really need or want in life. If there's a will, there's a way, and I stand behind that entirely. Make magic happen every damn day. You think the ironworkers that built the St. Louis Arch just did it in one day? No, it took several years, but they stayed at it and built the damn thing. That's the end of my rant. But I have 3 months left of my beard challenge, so let's see how thick and how long I can get my mustache. It's already like touching my eye. Look at that. That's crazy. I don't know if you can see that. But make sure to watch these 2 videos right here before you leave.